Good morning, everyone. So, in the previous three video, we have learned the introduction of integers, how to add integers, how to multiply, how to divide, and some operations. So today we are going to solve some exercise problems. So let us start with exercise 1.1. The first question is, following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places on a particular day. So if you see in the book, a picture is given that is of a number line in which 5 cities names are given, and along with that 5 cities, it is the temperature along this number line. So we have to determine the temperature of these 5 cities with the help of this number line. So first of all, let us see the place Lahul Spiti. Now you see here -5, -6, -7, -8. So Lahul Spiti temperature is -8. Srinagar. So 0, -1, -2. So Srinagar temperature is -2. Shimla. Shimla you can see directly, we can say it is 5 degree. Ooty. So 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So Ooty is how much? 14 degree. Bengaluru 20, 21 and 22. So Bengaluru temperature is 22 degree Celsius. So question may come like this. Number line will be given to you with the name of few cities. So you have to identify and you have to trace what is the temperature of that given cities. So some more questions are there from this question number 1. So let us see question number 2 of question number 1. What is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest place among the above? So what is the difference? Temperature difference means minus of the hottest and the coldest. So what is the hottest place? Hottest place you can see here. Hottest place is Bengaluru. So hottest place is Bengaluru. And what is the coldest place? Coldest place is Lahul Spiti. So we have to find the difference between Bengaluru and Lahul Spiti. So what we'll do, we'll subtract. So hottest means 22 degree minus what is the coldest? -8. So 22 degree minus of -8. So now this minus what will become? It will become plus. So 22 degrees Celsius plus 8. So what is 22 plus 8? It is 30 degree Celsius. So the answer is 30 degree Celsius. Okay, next question. What is the temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar? So Lahul Spiti temperature was how much? -8. And Srinagar was how much? -2. So Shimla was 5 degrees, sorry. So 5 degree Celsius minus of -8. So minus is plus. So 5 plus 8 is how much we'll get? It is printing mistake. It is 5 plus 8 is 13 degree. Next question. Can you say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature of at Shimla? The question you have to understand whether the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla together, means if I add Srinagar and Shimla together, whether it will be less than Shimla. So Srinagar plus Shimla we have to take. What is Srinagar? Is -2. Shimla is 5. So -2 plus 5, or we can say 5 plus -2. How much we'll get? 3. And Srinagar temperature is Shimla temperature is how much? It is also 3. So we can say it is same with Shimla. Is it also less with Srinagar? What is the temperature of Srinagar? It is -2. So what we'll say? 3 is more than -2. So the sum is more than temperature at Srinagar. So the temperature together of Srinagar and Shimla is equal to Shimla, but it is more than temperature of Srinagar. Let us see question number 2. In a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answer and negative marks are given for incorrect answer. That means in a particular quiz, plus mark, positive marks was given for correct answer and minus mark for the incorrect, means the wrong. If Jack score, a student name is Jack, Jack scores in 5 successive rounds. In 5 rounds, his scores were 25, -5, -10, 15 and 10. What was his total at the end? So if the 5 scores were 25, -5, -10, 15 and 10. So what was the total score of Jack? So total means what we'll do? We'll add all these marks. So 25, now see plus minus is minus, okay. Again plus minus is minus, plus 15 plus 10. So what we'll do, we will add the plus 1. 25 plus 15 plus 10. We are adding all the plus 1 first and minus 1 will we are keeping last. So -5 minus 10. So 25 plus 15 means 40. 40 plus 10 is 50. So 50 minus 5 minus 10. So 50 minus 5 is how much? 45 minus 10. That is answer is how much? 35. So what was the total score of Jack in that quiz? His total score was 35. Question number 3. At Srinagar, temperature was -5 degree on Monday. So in Srinagar, on Monday, the temperature was how much? -5. And then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. So in Srinagar, on Monday, the temperature was -5. And on Tuesday, 2 degree it reduced, goes down. So what will be the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? So Monday was -5 and Tuesday 2 degree less, that is -5, -6 and -7. So temperature on Tuesday was how much? -7. Okay, second part of the question. On Wednesday, it rose by 4 degree. So again on Wednesday, it again increased. Increased by how much? Increased by 4 degree. So on Tuesday it was how much? -7. So now just increase it. -7, then -6, -5, -4, -3. So this time it goes up the number line because now it is increasing. So the answer will be on Monday it is -5, on Tuesday it is -7, and Wednesday it again rose by 4, that is -3 degrees Celsius. Question number 4. Question number 4. A plane is flying at a height of 5,000 meter above the sea level. You can see in the picture a plane. This is a plane which is flying at a height of 5,000 meter above this sea level. You can see here this 5,000 height. This is the aeroplane and this is the sea level. So a plane is flying at a height of 5,000 meter above the sea level. At a particular point, it is exactly above a submarine floating 1200 meter below the sea level. So exactly in that sea level there is a submarine which is at a height of 1200 below the sea level. So question is, what is the vertical distance between them? The question is asked, what is the distance between the plane and the submarine? So what we'll do, we'll add all the distance. So from here till here it is 5000, here it is 1200. So the distance between the submarine and the aeroplane, we will add this one. So answer is, vertical distance between plane and the submarine will be 5000 plus 1200. So you will get 6200 meter. Question number 5. Mohan deposit 2000 in his bank account and withdraw 1642 from it the next day. So the question is, Mohan, a man, he deposits, that means he deposit how much money in his bank account? Rupees 2000. And withdraw means he has taken out how much money? 1642 from it the next day. That means from the 2000 which is deposited, from that he has taken out 1642 rupees. If withdrawal of amount from the account is represented by a negative integer, then how you will represent the amount deposited? Find the balance of Mohan account after the withdrawal. So the question is, if the withdrawal, that means this 1642, if it is minus, then how much money will be left in his account? So how much he has deposited? 2000. How much he has taken out? 1642. So what is the balance? So from 2000 we'll subtract 1642. So we'll get 358. So balance after withdrawal. So what is the balance after taking out the money? 358. So remaining question we will see in the next video. Thank you.